Good morning, students. Welcome back in your English class. In our last video, we have discussed simple future tense. I hope it was clear to you all. Today in this video, we will study future continuous tense. As we all know that continuous means the work which is in progress. Just like present continuous, just like past continuous, there is also continuous form of future tense too. Here some sentences are given. Let's see. First sentence here is I shall be doing the work. Second sentence, I will be staying here till Sunday. And third sentence is it will be raining. Students, as I have told in my previous videos that to identify the tense, we have to pick out the verb first. See, in the first sentence, I shall be doing the work. What is the verb here? Here, the verb is shall be doing. Just like this, you have to find out the verb in the second sentence. And we got that in the second sentence, I will be staying here till Sunday. The verb is will be staying. Again, we have to find out the verb from in third sentence, and the verb is will be raining. That means what verbs we got? First, shall be doing, second, will be staying, and third, will be raining. That means what we understood from this verb, what is this denoting? This is denoting that in future tense, will and shall, the use of will and shall only denotes the future tense, right? And then verb plus ing, that means an action which is in progress. That means here shall be doing, will be staying, and will be raining. These verbs are denoting that these actions will be going on will be in progress in the future at a certain point of time. Okay, let's see what is actually future continuous. Okay, future continuous tense is used to denote actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. This is what just we observed in the previous sentences. Again, few examples are given here, like he will be meeting us next week. That means certain time period or at a time is given here, next week. Next week, that means in the future, this work, which work will be meeting? This work will be in progress. Just like this second sentence, the postman will be coming soon. Again, what the verb is here? Which one is the verb? Will be coming. It is showing that will be coming. This verb is showing that this action will be in progress in the future. Right? The postman will be coming soon. That means what we got? We got that the work of future continuous tense is to denote actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. At that time, the work will be in continuous state. Now, we will see the sentence structure of future continuous tense. In affirmative sentence, first we write subject, then will or shall, it depends on the subject, then be, then base form of the verb with ing. We also call this form present participle form. Okay, present participle form of verb. Verb plus ing means present participle. And then rest part of the sentence. For example, it will be raining all day tomorrow. See here, it is the subject. With it, we have used here will, then be, then rain plus ing, raining, and then all day tomorrow. Next, sentence structure of negative sentence. In negative sentence, first we write subject, then will or shall according to the subject, then not, then be, and then again present participle form of the verb or base form of the verb with ing and then object or rest part of the sentence. Again, one sentence is given. It will not be raining all day tomorrow. Here it is the subject, will, then not, then be, then present participle form of verb, rain, raining, then all day tomorrow, rest part of the sentence. Now we will see interrogative sentence. Sentence structure of interrogative sentence. In interrogative, first we write will or shall, then subject, then be, then verb with ing, or you can say that present participle form of verb, and then rest part of the sentence, and then obviously question mark. If you don't put question mark, then it is not interrogative sentence, and you people do this mistake only. Then what is the sentence? Example, will it be raining all day tomorrow? Okay, again will, then subject, then be, then raining, present participle form of verb, and then rest part of the sentence, all day tomorrow, and then question mark. One more sentence is given here. She will be dreaming until 11 o'clock tonight. This is also in future continuous tense. Now students, when do we use future continuous tense? We have to keep this in our mind properly. First, we use future continuous tense to express actions in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, at 12 o'clock tomorrow, we will be having lunch at school. See, in this sentence, a specific time is given. The timing is at 12 o'clock tomorrow. This is specific time in the future. Okay, then what action will be in progress? We will be having lunch at school. Next, we use future continuous tense to refer to actions that are happening now and expected to continue in the future. For example, unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. We all know that sea levels are still rising, and if we do not control pollution, then in future also it will be continued. Okay, for this situation also we use future continuous tense. Our next, when do we use future continuous tense? We use future continuous tense to ask a question politely about the future. Like, will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Next, we use future continuous tense to emphasize future plans and intentions. For example, he will be coming to visit us next week. This is future plan. Then, we use future continuous tense to describe atmosphere in the future. For example, when I arrive at the party, everybody will be celebrating, some will be dancing. See here, the atmosphere is party, right? Party mood is there. Next, we express future continuous tense to express parallel actions or series of parallel actions in the future. For example, she will be watching TV and he will be cooking. Here, series of parallel actions is given in the future, which is going to be happen in the future, which is going to be in progress in the future. Now students, we will see some more example based on the given sentence structure and the uses of future continuous tense. First, he will be enjoying the holidays in December. Again, here a specific time is given, and in that in that specific time, the work, the action which will be in progress, that is also mentioned here, will be enjoying. Next, she will be going to the market tomorrow. Next, the children will be learning lessons in the classroom. Next, I will be taking tea until 5 o'clock today. Next, it will be storming tomorrow. Next, when will the farmers be sowing crops? This is interrogative sentence, and this is WH frame of the question interrogative sentence. Okay. Will not he be driving the car? It is also interrogative negative sentence. Next, the passengers will be passing on the railway bridge. Next, I will be traveling around the world next year. Next, I shall be reading the book. These all sentences are in future continuous tense. Students, I hope that you understood when do we use future continuous tense, what is the sentence structure of the future continuous tense, and what does it denote. Now, as you have understood it, you have uh, do you have to do an activity. An activity is given here. If you will do it, it will be helpful for you to um, revise it properly. Imagine yourself as a celebrity. Okay, any celebrity. You can imagine any personality of your own choice. Like you can choose a sports person, you can choose film star, or any personality of your choice. Okay, if you want to if you like any social worker, you can choose him or her also. Any personality you like. Okay, you have to choose and imagine that you are that personality. Okay, and then write down what will you do in your future as your chosen personality. Suppose you have you decided that you like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, then you imagined yourself as Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and then what you will do in your future as Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, you have to write those sentences, and of course you will use future tense only. Okay, you have studied simple future tense, you have also studied future continuous tense. Just use these sentences to write your own wish. Okay, hopefully you understood that you have to imagine yourself as a celebrity, and then whatever you wish to do in your future, you have to write that in sentences using future tense. Okay students, I hope you will enjoy doing this activity. While doing this activity, you will enjoy a lot, and you will also learn how to write the sentences correctly without any mistake. You will also learn to maintain the sentence structure, to write the sentences properly following the given sentence structure of the tense, and you will also learn how to use the tense. Okay, thank you. Then go through the video properly and do this activity. We will discuss this activity in our online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.